Here are 10 powerful tarot cards that can help you strengthen and trust your intuition. Each one brings its own unique energy, acting like a doorway to deeper inner knowledge. The number one is the High Priestess, the Queen of Intuition herself. She embodies mystery, wisdom, and the subconscious. Drawing her encourages you to tap into your own inner wisdom and trust your insights without needing concrete proof. Number two, the Moon, often linked to dreams, illusions, and the unconscious. The Moon brings light to hidden truths and encourages you to look beyond the obvious. This card invites you to trust what's unclear and follow the whispers of your gut instincts. We have the Hermit, representing self-reflection, solitude, and inner guidance. The Hermit calls you to take time alone and meditate, helping you to tune into your personal truths. It's a card of going inward to access answers that may not be apparent in the external world. We have the Star, a symbol of hope, clarity, and divine guidance. The star enhances your connection to the universe and helps you receive intuitive messages. This card inspires trust in the guidance you're receiving from both within and beyond. Number 5 is the Hanged Man, asking you to pause and see things from a new perspective. The Hanged Man helps you let go of preconceived ideas, which often strengthens intuition. This card encourages you to sit with things, to listen, and to gain fresh insights. Number 6, the Fool, linked to fresh starts, trust, and embracing the unknown. The Fool helps you release fear and connects you with a childlike openness that's essential for intuition. It's a reminder that sometimes intuition speaks loudest when we dare to take a leap of faith. The Empress, number 7, representing abundance, nurturing, and creativity. The Empress card invites you to tune into your senses and intuition. This card is all about going with the flow and embracing the power of your feelings, which are often a guiding force for intuition. Number 8, the Page of Cups, a dreamy card of emotional sensitivity and creativity. The Page of Cups is a youthful energy that reminds you to stay open to unexpected and magical things. This card helps you stay open to intuitive nudges and new ideas. Number 9, the Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords brings clarity and truth and breakthroughs. It's all about slicing through the fog to see things as they truly are. If you're looking to develop clear, direct insight, this card's energy can help you bring mental clarity to your intuitive messages. And number 10, the Queen of Cups, representing compassion, emotional depth, and psychic ability. The Queen of Cups is highly intuitive and receptive. She encourages you to honor your feelings and see them as sacred messengers. She listens deeply and knows the language of the soul. Each of these cards helps you peel back the layers of doubt and fear, building a bridge between you and your higher self. Working with these cards, journaling, or meditating on them can help you unlock and deepen your intuitive skills. What other messages do you see in these cards? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of my next videos. My lovelies, be brave, be strong, and love endlessly. Bye for now.